you're following along with your notes or the PowerPoint slides, you'll notice that there is an activity that requires being in person. So we won't be doing that. We're going to move straight on to our vocabulary number 8, talking about the parts of a sign or the parameters. Each sign has different parts that make it up. You can think of a parameter as a sound. When we pronounce a word, there's certain sounds that we have to link together. When we make a sign, there's different things that have to be correct in order for the sign to be produced correctly, and those are called sign parts or parameters. Parameter. So we have more than one, so we have parameters. Parameters. Part, parameter, parameter. We move our hand more than once. The first parameter is hand shape. You can just abbreviate it HS. There's some other variations of the sign. Looks like you're signing the sign shape over your hand or with both hands in the same hand shape. I prefer either hand shape or hand shape. The sign for hand, you're going to have showing both of your hands, and then signing shape. The second parameter is palm orientation, often abbreviated PO, or palm orientation, which way your palm of your hand is oriented, facing, forward, back, up, down, to the side, etc. The next parameter is location. You can sign this version of location or this version of location. I prefer this version. So my A's start here. Sometimes some people's move towards them, mine moves away. Location, sign for area. The next part of a sign or parameter is movement. Movement. There's some different versions of the moving, but movement. And facial expression, which should look like your eyebrows wiggling up and down. Can anybody do the one eyebrow? Facial expression, and then it ends up kind of off to the side so we don't block our face. So facial expression. And sometimes people wiggle their face when they sign facial expression. Some other ways to describe facial expression or this category is non-manual markers, NMM. Non meaning not. Manual meaning hand. Like when you drive a car and it's a manual, you have to do it by hand. Another word for a manual is a handbook. So non-manual markers, anything that are not on your hands, including your facial expression, could be your body tilt, could be your head. Non-manual signals, the same thing from a different way to say it. Non-manual signals, just the letters. Anyway, these are still any facial expressions, etc. This curriculum has 2 different words. They've mostly switched to the second one, but both of these are kind of their own variations. I've never seen it anywhere else. As a 6th parameter, there's 4 with facial expression. It's kind of a 5th. Facial expressions aren't always needed. And then this other one called joint point, so abbreviated JP, or proximalization. Either way, they'll sign joint point or proximalization. Could be which way your joint is pointing, which direction it is, or what joint it's located at, or proximalization, how far or close it is away from something. I will not use these, especially at an ASL 1 level, but if it shows up in the curriculum somewhere, now you'll know what those mean. The next video will be our last snapshot of this section. Snapshot number 8, sign parts or sign parameters.